Hi, I'm Pastor Jay. This journey began in 1993 when God placed a passion inside of me to see young people of South Florida come to Christ. God gifted me with a wife that had the same heart, and together we began to use the creative arts to reach a sight and sound generation.
We know that this is God's idea and desire. On a restless night, 7 years ago, I couldn't sleep, and I began to pray through the house. I sat at the computer and landed in Palm Beach, read all of these different statistics, and just felt like God really wanted us to do something there. So we started praying about it.
I was invited to speak at a retreat in Tampa, and during this time of ministry, we decided to go up for prayer. And as we were waiting for someone to pray for us, something unusual happened. The minister came over to us and literally just prayed one word. He prayed one word over us, and it was a very uncommon word. It was a word, blueprints. Everyone has a story. What is your blueprint story? What's your fingerprint? What's your life print? What's your blueprint?